Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a zipper pull. So you're going to need extra small rivet, a 1/2 inch D-ring, a 1/2 inch jump ring, just a miniature key ring really, your hole punch, and your rivet tool, hammer, and then I like to use vinyl. You're going to want to make it 1 inch by 4 inches, and then on the back I'm using hem tape. You don't have to use hem tape, but I feel like it helps keep the fabric down, or the vinyl down. And then I've already marked it halfway down the middle. So we're to take our hem tape off. Fold it down. Do the other side. Oops. Push. Try that again. Ta-da. Fold. Get that back seam together as close as possible. Okay. Then we're going to stitch. I like to have it all the way over to the right. And about 1/8 of an inch from the edge. Okay. And go all the way down. And then just flip it around. Same thing on the other side. Okay. Trim your threads. Trim this edge down a little bit if need be, if it's sticking out. So like this one. Okay. Then we're going to mark about 1/4 inch down from one edge. Okay. And then 1 inch from that. 1 1/4. Okay. And that's where we're going to punch our holes. Okay, ta-da! Then put your D-ring in. Oops. Grab the other side. Quarter from the other side. Okay. Okay, so you're going to want 3 holes, 1/4 of an inch from both sides, and then on one side, 1 inch apart. Put your D-ring on the side that has the 2 holes, and put the one that has the 1 hole in between those, so you're sandwiched together. Okay, then put your rivet through. You don't want a super long rivet, so as long as it's kind of at the edge of the opening, that's fine. Any longer than that, and when you go to set your rivet, it'll make the rivet go sideways and it won't be even in the middle. Okay. I do it on both sides for good measure. Ta-da! And put your jump ring through the D-ring. And there you have it. A cute little zipper pull.